Hi, today's video is another video in the same day, and it is an unboxing and a story time. So I hope you stick around and find out what I got. So normally you know that I like to get to the good stuff, but this one is kind of a story time that leads up into it. So you have to kind of hear this story to get to the next part. But if you want to fast forward to it, I'll show the bag and then you'll know to stop there. So if you guys remember this cute little bag I got from Gucci less than a month, well, maybe about a month ago. And she is cute and she's adorable and she's, exactly what I expected. I wore her twice and I just happened to be putting her away, and because she had been downstairs and I was putting, my bag room is upstairs, and I was putting her away and I went like that and the entire zipper came, the, what do we call it, the pull tab, that piece came completely off. So, which led me on a trip back to Gucci for them to repair it. So that is why I ended up with the next one. So I ended up in Gucci. While I was getting a repair, I wanted to look at this bag. And my essay, who is so nice and so sweet. And I felt bad because I had said her name, Lee, in another video without asking her. And I tried really hard not to say anybody's name or what they do for a living or anything like that without asking. But she's super cool. So I'm just going to pull her out because the bag is large, the box is large. Beautiful black ribbon. Oh, tore it a little. Okay. And to reveal, the Gucci Jackie bag. Oh, you can tell she's brand new because none of this plastic wants to come off. And give me a second and I'll take it off. Okay, so here she is all unwrapped. Isn't she gorgeous? I like that old school vibe. I've always liked Gucci's horse bit. It has always been my jam. And I always thought it was just gorgeous. And there is a pocket on the, wait a minute, sorry. There's a pocket on the inside, and then there's a zip closure pocket on the other side with some, care instructions and all that good stuff. And she's just gorgeous. And there was another bag that I was debating on, and I'll put a picture up here in the corner. And I was trying to debate between those two, and I decided on the Jackie bag because one, I just liked it more, and two, she comes with an adjustable, removable strap. So you can make this into a shoulder bag, a long shoulder bag, or you can just wear her as a small close hobo, whichever one. And the other bag was just one strap and it was non-adjustable. So this was definitely my choice. And I already had the cute card holder to match. So I was like, got it. And then that led me to this cutie. Okay, I know this, oh, it's upside down. This is so cute though. And inside is the Gucci baby key holder. Isn't that cute? It looks like a little cosmetic case. But it has a D-ring for your keys right there on the inside. And I just thought, there's no way. The trifecta of cuteness, yeah. I needed it. I thought this was so cute. And you can put more than just keys in here. You can put, I think it was about 15 cards that fit in here. Cash, coins, keys, all of that. You can just have it all together. And just keep your your three main cards into this one. And then, put all your extra cards and your cash into this one. And they fit perfectly. Just perfectly. So she's adorable. There we go. Isn't she beautiful? And I thought that this part, oh, I might as well take the plastic off. I thought that this piece was going to be a pain, but it's not. It's just that one little button snap right there, and that's it. And that closes it right back up. So all you have to do is just push that little piece, and it comes right open. There we go. So while I was getting this girl repaired, this girl called my name. You know, I had seen it before, and I was kind of like, oh, that's cute. I wonder how it'll look on me. And basically, I love both. So there you go. The only thing I wish Gucci had was a larger sized hobo. And I'm sorry, a larger sized tote bag. And in this print, they had the medium, and it just didn't look right on me. You know, so I can wait for a better, for not a better one, but a bigger one and a different one. I'll wait because, you know, just like Louis Vuitton and Chanel, something else always comes along. So I can wait. Okay, there we go. I hope you like her because I love her. All right. As usual, I want to thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, put them in the comment section. Please like and subscribe. And I hope you have a great weekend. Be kind. Stay kind. Aloha.